Hi, I'm Chance Glenn. I am the founder of Morningbird Space Corporation, and I'm the creator of the AppBot. So say hello to my little friend. It's more than a toy. It's more than just a robot. This is an educational platform. It really allows students to learn an important set of STEM skills. Skills such as computer-aided design, 3D printing, robotics, electronics, coding, engineering. And one of the important aspects and skills we also teach is teamwork. So what I'm envisioning is that this tool will allow students to get those skills in a fun and exciting way. And what I'm asking you to do is that if you're not interested necessarily in having one of these for yourself, I invite you to purchase one for your favorite school or set of schools and donate it to them so that they can teach those important skills to their students. And being an educator myself, I understand the difficulty in finding compelling and interesting tools to teach, to use to teach these skills. And this is one of those. So I invite you to do that and join me in donating the AppBot to your school of choice. What do you think?